Eli said, what's backsplash? Welcome back. Today I am going to put up a fake backsplash. I ordered these decorative tiles. I found this. Eli is about to play basketball. There are 6 things. This is so fun. On one side, you can see these things sticking out, and then it says overlap here. Basically, I would overlap like this. Okay, so let's just fake put them up. We're gonna have some right here, up here. It's gonna cover this whole thing.
Hi kids, it's so pretty. My mom keeps saying that.
I just need to clean the wall, grease cleaning.
I just hit the washing machine. If you don't know what the washing machine is, it's the stuff that you clean your clothes with.
Some people don't know what a washing machine is.
If you're old, if you don't know.
Old people don't know?
Some old people.
I don't really feel like measuring, so I'm just gonna see how much of that.
Whoa, look at these. And look at the red one.
So I'm gonna need this to go
one. And look at the blue one.
Up to there. I can get 2 out of this one. And then I'm probably gonna need 1, 2,
3.
So I need some scissors. Do I just cut? This thing is way too long. I need to
cut it! That price is way too high. You need to cut it.
Whose child is this? For real.
I don't know.
We need to cut the second piece up to there. We're gonna bend it over. Just cutting.
Why do you just mess the thing up?
I'm not messing it up. This is how I'm supposed to do it.
Oh.
And then I need one other piece to go like
Big.
flat out. So we're gonna get from this top piece.
Can you help me, Mom?
Nope.
I just fell. Ow. I
Hmm.
pushed my head open.
We're gonna bend.
Here, sweetheart.
Oh. So it has a plastic on top to protect that. And then there's the sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna cut like right about where the P ends. I'm just gonna cut over this thing. This one is gonna go in the corner. This part is super boring.
Ow. Can you give me the camera? I got stuck.
Okay, so I cut this. I'm taking off this thing. This is just gonna go in the corner.
Scared to take it out.
What the heck? Maybe I should have taken this part out before I stuck it on the wall. Okay, I'll do that with the next one. So I learned from before that I should take this plastic off first. Awesome. Don't say that.
Oh. Sorry, guys. That's appropriate.
Inappropriate.
I want to know what snack I want.
Sleep.
Oh,
Sleep snack.
oh,
Okay, I didn't line it up right the first time, so I just unstuck it, which was not that hard. I'm gonna do the same thing with this last third piece and cut right at the end. I don't know if you can see, but I didn't want to be in your way. So I'm sticking at the bottom and the top so that I'm in the exact right spot. Bottom pieces I cut out these little parts where this is gonna overlap. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, and then the third one. I also need to cut this. So that's it, guys. It was just like a sticker thing. All I had to do was like measure and make sure that I had the right pieces overlapping each other. $25. It looks nice.
That price is way too high.
Wait.
You need it.
Wait. Okay.
I used to be like this.
Yeah, you did. Oh.
And I still make it.
He's so big now.
Guys,